Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your IT too. Zero build and ensure the PLI module is enabled. Once confirmed, make a backup of current indexes and grab a small representative dataset for testing. Then open the admin console and switch to the PLI indexing workspace so you can run targeted commands. You do this because early validation prevents broad failures. Make sure to note key index fields and any access controls before running the first test index operation. Now you execute the core indexing steps. First, define the primary and secondary index fields and assign precise data types so lookups are consistent. Once defined, run an incremental index job on your sample set and watch the job logs for errors and performance metrics. If you see slow parsing, adjust tokenization and analyzers, and tweak memory limits or batch sizes. These changes refine how PLI stores and queries data, so iterate until the sample queries return correct and timely results. To finish, promote the tested PLI index to production during a low-traffic window and run validation queries against baseline latency and accuracy targets. Once live, monitor query success and resource usage for at least one full cycle. Make sure to update documentation and index maintenance schedules. If something goes wrong, roll back immediately to your backup, inspect error and indexer logs for root causes, and rerun the incremental sample test after fixes to verify the problem is resolved before repromote.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.